madaling mag-picture si White.
Pasok na tayo. Ganda camera mo eh. Okay, wait lang. One more.
Mayong gabi, everyone. Maraming salamat po for gracing the opening weekend of the Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival this 2025. I will keep this short kasi alam ko lahat tayo ay excited na makita ang isang obra maestra ni Direk Tara. Let me just share that we just love having these regional films come to life. It does not only bring like culture around us, but it also show us the importance of community and coming together to create this beautiful masterpieces. So, in behalf of Pure Gold Prize Club Incorporated, I would like to really share my much appreciation to the cast and crew of Tikiliwi and Direk Tara. Sana po hindi ito ang una. Sana po ay marami pa tayong ma-inspire the other directors, other budding and amateur ones who want to bring their story to more people and to more Filipinos. Maraming salamat po, and the Film Festival.
Actually, itong Tikiliwi has already garnered 5 acting nominations. May 3 acting nominations na na-receive ng Tikiliwi. Para sa panalong pangalawang aktor, we have Jeffrey Jeruma as Paul and Nathan Soto as Dave.
Nominations for Cine
Next naman, we have, para sa panalong pangalawang actress, we have Gabby Padilla as Marlene.
Nag-preliminary watch na yung mga...
Para sa panalong aktor, we have JV Laroder as Tata.
Preliminary.
And last but not the least, para sa panalong actress, Ruby Ruiz as Nay Bansay. And everyone from the cast and crew, please join our Direk Tara here on the floor. Direk Tara, please, you have the floor. Anything you would like to share about the film?
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who's here right now, especially my family and colleagues. Sana mabuhay ulit ang Philippine cinema.
Direk Tara, would you like to introduce your cast and crew? And if anyone would like to say anything, please don't be shy or afraid to share your experiences about this film.
So I'll start from. Okay, so this is Yuri. He's the sound man. Will, also the sound man, and then our production manager, Yuri. She was my PA in my last film, and then lumeted up na siya sa production manager. And then our hair and makeup and prosthetics, si Tara. And then our wardrobe and also casting casters, si Allen. And member of the wardrobe team, si Anne. And of course, this beautiful lady, si Ruby Ruby. Galing pa sa Switzerland from her international. So, yun. Lahat po ng budget na po sa kanya. Worth it po siya. Si Nathan was in my short film before. And now, hindi siya dapat actor, pero nag-back out yung isang actor namin. So, siya yung naging actor and then na-nominate na siya. So, very happy for him. So, acting coach siya and language coach din. And this little boy is a math genius and wonder kid, si JP Laruder. And then of course, si Gabby Padilla, na Best Actress sa Cinemalaya 2024. Si Ruby Rosa, isa ring cast member na medyo on the spot kasi nag-back out yung cast member namin. So kinuha namin siya and she proved really great. And then si Renz, and then si yung AD ko na strict, nang babaril sa set, si Norvin. Yung LP namin, si Alex. This is the second film that we're working together. And then si Michael, yung editor ko. So, it takes so much trust and confidence for an editor to let another editor edit for him. So, that's Michael. So, of course, si Direct TM, meron din siyang entry na Salom. He's my constant collaborator. Si Cyril, AC, and then si Sean, yung anak ni Nathan. And then si Kyle, yung continuity namin. And then si Jay, focus puller. And then of course, our musical scorer, si Nonong Gwen kanina. Kita niyo ba na say something?
Wala ko inambal. Alam ko po. Thank you for coming tonight. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung Tikiliwi. It's from start to finish sa Higayon. Pero hindi po siya
bumili kami ng ticket
gawain o intindihin kahit
because we didn't know.
hindi lang po kasi yung visuals pa
Pwede
lang.
dito?
Hello, good evening, Mayong Gabi. Thank you so much for joining us here tonight. It means a lot that you're supporting our women-led Ilonggo film. And hopefully this is the start of many Ilonggo films here in Cinepanalo and everywhere else. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming here tonight to watch Tikiliwi. I hope you enjoy it.
Alright, thank you everyone. But we would like to ask that you remain on the floor with us as we are about to award the official Pure Gold.
I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. So, Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival 2025 Certificate of Participation. This certificate is hereby awarded to Tara Eileen Berger for Tikiliwi, in appreciation of their participation in the 2025 Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival.
To the creation of this film, there's nothing more to do but to dim the lights, sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. Tikiliwi.
Across lang, bebe.
Sorry.
Kilala nyo?
Yung makita mo yun, very controversial!
Sa video ka.
Sir, maawa po kayo sa amin, sir. Pinag-iwapan ko.
Waiting lang tayo for Janela. Pero ang next natin is si Sir Goldwyn from
Yan na!
Oh!
Sir.
Sugar tayo.
Best actor.
So again guys, this is Sir Goldwyn from Goldwyn Review.
Hi!
Have we met?
No.
Nice
Goldwyn
to meet you,
Reviews. Hello.
Janela.
So napanood na niya kanina yung movie, so meron na siyang questions for us.
Yung questions ko, magaan lang naman. Ang choice nyo lang, magtatanong, may listahan ako mga ideas or items. Tapos ang pwede nyo lang sagutin is either fleeting or lasting. Fast talk. Okay, ganun. Pwede kayong mag-explain if you want. Pwede kayong mag-side comments ng mga fun if you want. Kung wala, edi wala. So, ang sagot lang is fleeting or lasting. Okay, game? Phone battery. Amoy ng utot nyo.
Lasting!
Hangover.
Lasting.
Depende.
Pag tumanda na last
Yes.
Sweldo.
Fleeting!
Sipa ng kape.
Ano? Sipa ng...
Coffee, anong... Yung last.
Fleeting.
Fleeting. Lasting kaya. Sikwate.
Last.
Lasa ng... Wi-Fi connection nyo.
Fleeting. Ay,
Fleeting pag hindi nakabayad.
ayaw ko sa...
Traffic sa Pinas.
Uy,
Lasting.
First impressions sa ibang tao.
Fleeting.
Inis at galit.
Fleeting.
Fleeting.
Dapat fleeting.
Kailangan ilabas.
Kawawa ka.
Stress at pagod.
Fleeting.
Dapat fleeting pero minsan lasting eh.
Showbiz.
Honestly, most of the
Gusto
time,
maiyak eh.
Most of the time.
Fleeting.
It's
Kaya
not forever.
dapat yun mo.
Toothache.
Ha?
Toothache. Nangyayari pa ba yan?
Fleeting.
Heartache.
Lasting.
Marriage.
Dapat lasting.
Lasting.
Dapat.
Corruption.
Unfortunately, it's lasting.
Vacation.
Fleeting.
Bakit mabilis lang mo?
Oo. Kasi fleeting din yung sweldo.
Childhood memories.
Lasting.
Ito ay importanteng tanong. Pure Gold Cine Panalo.
Lasting!
Goldwyn Reviews. Dapat. Philippines. Pilipinas. Manila. Mati.
Yung generic lang. Yung
Fleeting now showing.
Hi guys, fleeting now showing. Kita Kids. Okay. Hi guys!
Fleeting now showing.
See you!
Mamaya na kayo magtrabaho, kumain muna kayo.
Kanina pa yan, number 2 is this. Oh, really ba?
Kayo naman, I'm excited for you for tonight. Siyempre, bonus naman ko, pero ano na lang yung fulfillment nung napanood ng mga tao and they have to do. Nagustuhan nila yung chemistry nila.
Nakakatuwa. Actually, hindi namin in-expect na sobrang overwhelmed yung mga reviews na they really enjoyed the film. Kasi nga very light lang naman talaga yung film namin. But we're very, very happy with the reception.
Ikaw naman, what can you say sa reception ng mga tao na tuwa talaga?
Well, ako talagang sobrang excited ako ngayon. And sa mga reaction nila, sobrang happy ako kasi hindi ko in-expect na yung mga problem na nagkakita. Para sa mga sabi nila. Siyempre, napakabait.
And then last question na lang, itong mga film festival, mga AD, marami kayong mga naninig na tao kahit bata pa rin. Sobrang innovative and creative.
Because I want to train them, I want to work for my body, mukha ko maganda sa pelikula. Gusto kong maging ano yung nuances sa main boxers, ano yung nuances ng mga fighters, hindi mo suhay. Of course, na-expect na naman na it's not expected. They're like musicians, they're fans.
We are excited to see where your talent takes you.
Thank you. For one more minute.
Thank you. Congratulations once again. Can I say it?
So many interesting, colorful people sinabi ko sa information nila ngayon, different community din, innovative.
Yeah, ako, like I said, it's my first time in NTV. Very, very happy. Parang ito na yung entry ko into this industry. And I'm excited to be here to be part of it. So really, at the same time, people who are so passionate. So I love it.
And definitely not the last year, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so dito na po tayo.
Dito na pwede na tayo.
Congratulations. Okay, so first question lang, what are you most excited about? No, sorry. Ano na lang muna tayo. So pagpanood sila ng movie ninyo last time, what can you say sa reception? Ang dami na-enjoy.
I'm very happy and I'm super thankful that I was able to this is my first date movie. I'm glad that the people are good and it's going to be positive.
How about you, Alex? Especially first movie lead nyo together, di ba?
Well, I'm actually, ang lead talaga dito is si Kate and si James. I'm happy to support. I'm also very happy because we made the film with the intention na we hope people will have fun when they watch. So I think na-achieve naman. So yeah, I'm very happy about that.
Speaking of Katie, sabi ka niya ni Chris Kahili, best actor yung mga nominees daw. Pinaka nahirapan sila mamili kasi sobrang talented daw ng Lost Again. What can you say about that? Kasi kahit nomination pa lang, panalo na yun. Even if it's just a bonus, it's a good feeling.
Yeah, super good feeling. It's my first nomination. I mean, not first, but it's my first nomination as well. I'm so grateful talaga. And thank you so much for everyone on the set really helped me, and especially this is his first project. Thank you to all the writers.
And then last question na lang, what are you
short film directors actually. Because nakikita ko yung mga concept nila. Grabe yung concept nila. They're so creative and they're super, parang you can tell that they're really passionate about what they do.
Yeah, me too. I'm also excited to see my friends. I have a lot of friends here, so yeah.
Sa first day pa lang ng Sine Panalo, may 3 black screen.
I know!
Supportive yung fans nila.
Thank you.
Sobrang thankful kami sa mga fans every day.
Last question na lang, ano yung pinaka-panalo moment for you guys working together or for your first movie together tapos sa film festival, which is a good platform. Together. On-screen, off-screen, yun.
The hard work that we built together. Parang, especially because he's the lead in this movie, so I saw him in a different light. How focused he is, how hardworking he is, how he gives his all. Parang mas hinamaan ko pa siya as a person and as an actor. Parang yun yung panalo sa akin na feeling ko, panalo din ako kasi yung partner ko gives his all, just like me.
Parang ang sarap ng feeling na working hard together, winning together, achieving together.
That's what I love din about working with Alexa. We're super collaborative with one another. And whenever we're cutting, we always tell each other, maybe we can try this or maybe we can try another thing. And that's what I love about it. It's criticism at its best.
I love it.
Well, bang movie na yung kayong dalawa ng bida? Kasi dito parang mas bida yung mga lalaki.
Soon.
Hopefully soon, yeah, praying.
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Kapit ka lang po. Dito po. Dito po.
For producing and thank you for letting me perform it. Thank you po. And of course, yung writer po and producer si Kiko Salazar. Thank you so much po.
Nakadalo po si Kiko.
Thank you very much to Pure Gold and Sine Panalo. Thank you to the whole cast, the very wonderful cast that we have, very talented. I'm so happy. I was worried kahit ito lang talaga yung makuha namin and we got it. And so thank you so much for watching the film and for this pride. So yun na po. Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations.
Yun po yung totoo. Nakataba po ng puso at saka
Thank you po. Sana pagbigyan niyo ako sa event. Marami din ako. Gusto ko salamatan. First of all po, si TM Anones, Frank. Thank you sa pagsali. Tsaka sa support na. Sabay ko na rin po yung director ko sa Takiliwin. Thank you din po, Direk, for yung casting. Not only myself, but also other, the makers and fans. Of course, yung mga mentors ko po na hindi mawawala. Lagi ko pasasalamatan sila Direk Ingrid Pañares, mga taga-suporta ng Bicol at sa Visayan Cinema. Of course, si Direk Ina Escasa at saka Escasa. Hindi po ako masasawang pasalamatan sila dahil sa kanila po ako galing. Sila po yung nagbigay ng daan, bukas na daan para sa akin para nandito po ako. Of course, sa community po namin sa Western Visayas, kami po ay binubukan ng isang tahimik pero maliit ng visionary sa Western Visayas. Pasalamatan sila lahat. Sila Richard Katsunoy sa Badico, sila Arden Orcontes. Basta marami po sila lahat, sorry. Of course po, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang family ko for being ever supportive.
Deliberation. We would like to inform everyone that we have a tie.
for being very supportive sa multiple actors for Cine Panalo. To be there, joining there, thank you so much. Isa sa mga pangarap ko ay mapasok sa OWES, meron po. Thank you so much. Panalo po tayong lahat, kaya nagtipon-tipon tayo lahat. Thank you po.
Olsen State!
Thank you po sa Pure Good Cine Panalo na nalabas po dito na Olsen State. Maraming po salamat.
Super cute! Congratulations! I'm sorry, sinabit ko yung Chucky. And binuo ko yung kwento habang I was traveling from UP, from my school to my apartment in an inside a sasakyan. And sinabmit ko po ito siya. And first bubog ko po ang Cine Panalo kasi na-shortlist po ako sa first edition with very the same project. And I submitted this for the second time. And I got this award. So please really ang kwentong Chuck Green ay isang kwento ni Jujay kasi naniwala siya sa pangarap niya. And I think nag-resonate din yung kwento sa personal ko na experience. So patuloy tayong maniwala sa ating pangarap even though na minsan nadadapa tayo, hindi rin ibigay sa atin yung mga gusto natin. Patuloy lang tayong maniwala at hawakan natin ang pangarap.
Go Sinipanalo. Is Tara Inday!
Pangarap ko itong makakuha ng Best Screenplay Award kasi somebody told me di ako marunong sulat. Sir Ricky, happy birthday. This is for you. I love you.
Congratulations, Direk Tara. Moving on to one of the biggest
Manalong pangalawang aktor for the student film category ay Sol Eugenio!
Kaya ko to sa ikaw ako, happy birthday ma, sa birthday ko na ganda regalo nito. And then of course I'd like to thank my producers, Click Films, thank you. Direct Live for trusting me with Bob. To my co-actors from Bukidnon, si ako mga anak, Marian and Mecca. Special mention ko lang po si Banchi na tumulong sa akin. Thank you for helping me speak Bisaya fluently.
Jeffrey G. Nathan Soto. Boji Pastor. Olsen Day. Ang panalo pangalawang aktor. Category.
Nako, isang mahigpit na labanan sa kategoryang ito. Makikita mo talaga na lahat ng nasa listahan ay napaka-deserving nga naman. Sino ang magwawagi? Malalaman natin. At ang panalo pangalawang aktor para sa unang film category ay si Jeffrey!
Salamat sa Sinipanalo, Sir Chris, mabuhay din pag-suporta na sa mga new generation ng mga storytellers, filmmakers, Direk Tara, Team Tikilili. Sa inyo ito, inalagay sa inyo. Thank you so much. Magandang gabi. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Award. Unfortunately, nasa shoot po siya. Tinry po niyang kumabol, kaya lang 3 minutes away pa daw siya. So, pwede po i-stretch mo natin 3 minutes. Sobrang swerte ko rin po na makakolaborate si Lucia. Sobrang pure niyang katrabaho, sobrang gaan niyang katrabaho. And sobrang deserve niya po itong award na to. 3 minutes po. Ano ba sasabihin? Pero ayun, Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival, maraming salamat po sa award na to. I believe na sobrang saya niya po ngayon papunta dito. batiin na lang po natin siya pagdating niya. Yun lang po, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Olsen's Tale. Jay Ramos, Olsen's Tale. Gabby Padilla, Jasmine Curtis Smith, Journey. Alexa Ilata, Hola. Kira Band, Code. Ang panalong pamanawang actress full-length category.
Wow, what a great mix of familiar and fresh faces, Direk Kurt. Sino ba sa tingin mo sa kanilang ating panalong pangalawang actress?
And of course, it's so hard to identify who our winner is, but if I was in the panel of judges, I'd be giving each and every one of them flowers for their grand performance.
I agree. And now it's time to reveal our winner. Ang panalong pangalawang actress for the full-length film category is Gabby Padilla.
First time ko po maging part ng isang fully Ilonggo film. At nakaka-proud po siya. So if you would allow me, I would like to do my acceptance speech in Ilonggo. I would like to share this award with, ay nag-English. Gusto ko i-share award ngayon with the cast and crew of Tikiliwi. Gamay kami na team, pero what we lack for in quantity, we make up for in heart. I'm so proud. Super proud ko to be part of this team. Direk Tara, salamat sa pagsalig sa storya ng Samon. Balan mo, importante gini istorya para sa imo. Kung sa talang nababayi sa pakabuhi mo. Salamat, Gid, for having me now. To my best ensemble, especially to my little brother, JP. Who is our first-time actor and for me, my best actor. Super honored ko to be your manang in this film. And of course, to the one and only Tita Ruby Ruiz. Gusto ko pasalamatan ako ng pamilya, tanan nga nag-suporta sa amon sa pag-ubra sa siningan ni. And gusto ko i-dedicate. I also want to thank my management, Creation Studios, and I would like to dedicate this award to all the victims of the patriarchy. Mabuhay ang Ilonggo Cinema. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gabby, and congratulations once again. And also congratulations to all of our winners so far. Grabe, Direk Kurt, napaka-higpit talaga ng laban for tonight. And can I just say, sobrang deserving din nila lahat.
I totally agree. And right now, we're almost halfway through all of our categories.
At syempre, hindi pa kumpleto ang Pure Gold Sine Panalo kung wala ang suporta at pagtangkilik ng ating mga manonood. Yan ang ating susunod na kategorya, ang panalo sa mga manonood.
The votes have been tallied, the results are in, and now it's time to find out what the audience has decided. It's not only our judges who are having a hard time, but also our audience. So, here are ang panalo sa mga manonood para sa full-length film category. Congratulations to Cola by Jill Ormaneta.
thank you po sa Cine Panalo, Pure Gold, Cine Panalo Film Festival. First film ko po, and maraming salamat po sa experience na to. Hindi ko po to makakalimutan ng experience na to. Every time I feel like giving up, aalalahanin ko lang itong experience na to, and tuloy ang laban. And of course, audience choice, oh my God, thank you so much sa mga fans ng King Dilex, and Jameson, and Kira. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng screening, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan, at ng pamilya na pinagbantaan ko marami pag hindi na noon. Maraming salamat po. Sir Chris, thank you. White Space, thank you. Ars Francisco, thank you po sa lahat ng black screening. And sa mga fans, thank you. Kafam family, maraming salamat po.
Ayan, congratulations. Dahil ko lang pala dapat ang atake. Pagbabantaan mo ang mga kaibigan mo. Diba? Para manood.
Yes, and of course, we need all the support that we need, especially as filmmakers in our very own regions or areas.
That's right.
Of course, congratulations to all of our awardees. And now, at last, we are now to the most awaited category. We have ang Panalong Aktor.
At ngayon, alam mo, excited na tayong lahat malaman ang panalo. Narito ang listahan ng mga nominado para sa Panalong Aktor sa Short Film category.
Filmmaker, ang kanilang talento sa paggawa ng pelikula. And nagpapasalamat din po ka sa pamilya ko na laging nakasuporta sa akin. Dahil naman kay natin po, OFW po siya, wala po siya ngayon. Pero kasama ko po siya nung nagsaling po ako dito sa Sampay. Lalong-lalong po kay mami ko. Malaki ko kasama ko ng shooting ako at mag-audition ako. Tuwing magka-casting call ako, tuwing may final casting calls. Thank you for the love and support you gave me. And at syempre po kala Direk Ira, kala Direk Josh, at sa buo at sa Go Production ng Sampay. Muli ako si Alexander Lucas Martin, gumanap bilang Sam sa pelikulang Sampay. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino!
Production. Wala po kami kaalam-alam sa filmmaking. Nung nalaman po namin, nag-open ang Pure Gold Cine Panalo ng festival for students. Sino mag-aakala isang opportunity na bibigyan nila ang mga estudyante. Estudyante katulad namin na walang resources ng pagkakataon para magkwento. And dito, sa likod ko, sila yung mga tao na sumuporta, nagpalakas ng loob ko, nagpalakas ng loob namin lahat para magpatuloy. Kaya maraming salamat sa Sampay Team, sa buong Sampay Team, Pure Gold, Direct Chris, maraming salamat po para sa pelikulang Pilipinas. Salamat. Thank you.
Two winners. First up, Journeyman.
And our second winner is Fleeting by Nancy.
Of course, Pure Gold always celebrates the films that embody the brand's values. And due to the caliber of talent this year, ultimately, our judges felt compelled to award 2 exceptional films instead of 1.
At talaga namang Pure Gold will not hesitate to bend a few rules para lang ma-recognize ang mga deserving. So congratulations!
first for all of us. We're not expecting anything. This is my first film as a director. This is Janela's first festival project. Wala si Alora dito pero ito ang kanyang unang Bisaya speaking role. This is Peter's first film as an actor. For most of us, even our day, first time po namin sa Mati Davao. Kami ang unang pelikula na nagpakita na ganda ng Mati. This film also highlighted Davao as the chocolate capital of the Philippines. We wanted to tell more stories about different regions in the Philippines as a company. Thank you so much to WAP Studios for believing in me, Mentor Productions. Maraming salamat po for your belief in the Filipino stories. Of course, I'm grateful to share this award with Christian Paulalat. We always believe that we're in the same team. And thank you so much, Pure Gold Cinepanalo, for giving this opportunity to us. This is a story of love and ambition, a story of Janela's character in the world of aviation, a woman in a male-dominated industry. Maraming salamat.
First of all, I want to say thank you to Pure Gold for choosing our film Journeyman. But before I go to a long speech, I want to say that our film is always phenomenal because of my actor, JC Santos. Woo! Everybody says it. He made this movie, you know, and like it's a winner because of his valiant effort as an actor. And I got nothing but love for this guy. This guy made the movie, and I appreciate him so much for saying yes to this project. And like if you could give him a round of applause for his amazing effort. And once again, thank you for Pure Gold for giving us a platform to showcase our boys. I am so grateful for my team. My brother is here, my mother. I have a winning team right here, and I love them so much. Thank you, Pure Gold. Mabuhay, like you know, mabuhay, yeah.
On behalf of Miss Ina Lo, and Call Stage Festival Director Mr. Chris Kahinde, present the award.
Bakit naalala mo?
The student short film category is Van Marco Cruz. To present the trophy for Manalo Director, Direct Korea.
First of all, maraming salamat po ito sa Festival for this award. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Sobrang saya ko at sobrang sinishare ko ito, ang award na ito sa mga taong nakaka-collaborate ko doing this project. Most especially kay David Esguerra, may creative partner even since day one, siya yung nagpitiwala sa akin. Lahat ng core team ng Sikat, sa UP namin si Robert, editor namin si Christian, sa production design namin si Ate. Sa lahat ng nakasama ko sa journey na to, from right from the script, script consultant namin si Direk Ryan Machado. Sa lahat ng nabigyan nila sa insights, kay Direk Dwayne, Direk Arden, Kuya Bento, maraming salamat po. Sa Terminal 6 Post, and sa Crowning Glory, maraming salamat po sa pag-support ng project namin. Yun na po, wala naman sabi.
Wow, congratulations once again, Van Marco Molacruz. Direct, congrats. Sobrang deserve.
And of course, in category, let's find out who the nominees are.
Panalong Direktor. Mga nominado, full-length category. Katsi Kadala. JP Hapa. Tara Elaine. Christian Allen. Jill Simpson Orton. Cola. DM Malloy. Ang panalong direktor, full-length category.
Wow, what another competitive category. Who is going to be our Panalo Director for the 2025 Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival?
Ito na ang panalong direktor para sa full-length film category ay si JP!
Pwede na.
Para sa isang tao hindi madalas manalo sa buhay, malaking bagay po ito sa akin. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival. Direk Chris, aside maraming salamat po sa CFB, sa JG Productions, sa Bowel Fund, sa P6, kina Ms. Rowena Jamaji, kina Sir John and Karishma. Sa staff and crew, maraming salamat tayo kina Ate Flor, kina Cara, kina Mau, kina Ian, sa lahat ng staff and crew, kina Khalil, kina Sir Romney, kina Sanders, lahat ng cast, sa pamilya ko, at sa mga kaibigan na nakasama ko for the past 13 years. Maraming salamat. So itong project ko na ito, 13 years ago ko siya nasulat nung namatay yung tatay ko. Never ko naisip, never na ako nag-expect na magagawa siya. So para po ito sa lahat ng mga batang filmmakers na nawala ng confidence sa mga kwento nila kasi darating din yung tamang panahon na magagawa niyo yung mga kwento kung gusto nyo maging pelikula. So tiwala lang. Maraming salamat po.
JP, and thank you for that very inspiring speech. Alright, everyone, kumusta kayo? Okay na ba tayo? Yes?
Ang pinakapanalo may main pelikula.
Now, I know everyone is excited, pero muli, bago natin i-announce ang ating pinakapanalong maiging pelikula, ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado ay isa pang special award mula sa ating jury na
Bruce Wampi by Sam Rafael Perfecto. To present going home with the Pure Gold Cine Panalo Trophy plus a cash prize of 100,000 pesos is
Jeff Green!
Sinipanalo team for Ate Julie. Then, thank you so much for giving us this. I share these together with all those filmmakers here. We have already won since we have already ikwento na natin yung mga kwento na mula sa ating puso. I also share this award with all the regional filmmakers, especially those that are coming from Mindanao. Ito ay isang patunay na kaya din natin, kaya natin magkwento ng mga makabuluhang kwento na may share natin, hindi lamang sa Mindanao, kundi para sa buong bansa. Gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking producers, si Mark, si Ronnie, si Mito, and si Bogoy, si Tony, at si Gian. I also would like to say thank you for more than half of the team from the province of Bukidnon na hindi kayang pumunta dito ng sobrang layo. I'm celebrating this award with you in spirit. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang pinakamahusay itong DOP na si Darren. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan si Migo, ang aking PD. Pasalamatan ko din ang aking sound na si Hannah. At pasalamatan ko din ang aking mga aktor na mula pa sa Mindanao na bigay para sa celebration ko yung gabi. Si Mecca at si Maria the first time actor. Patuloy tayong magkwento tayo ng magkwento dahil tayo ay patuloy na mananalo at tayo ay patuloy na magkwento. Mabuhay po ang Pure Gold, mabuhay ang Vigilance Gold.
Lalong pelikula. Mga nominado, full-length category. Fleeting. Olsen's Day. Tikilili. Journey. Cola. Salud. Ang pinakapanalong pelikula, full-length category.
Now I know we are all excited na malaman kung sino ang nagwagi bilang pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula. But before we announce the winner, unahin muna natin ang special award mula sa ating mga hurado. Ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
And going home with the panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado for the full-length film category is... Tikiliwe!
I don't want to forget anybody. First of all, we share this award with the cast and crew who are in Iloilo, and also to Tita Ruby. Tita Ruby, when I had moments of self-doubt on the set, she was a source of wisdom and source of so thank you so much Sinipanalo, thank you so much DMZ, to my crew from Bonfire, to all the sponsors of Sinipanalo from Pure Gold, Team 6, Sina Bebet Casas from Soundsmith, Gateway, everyone. po. We're very happy. I don't really make a lot of films, pero I felt that this material was suited for Sinipanalo. So, sinabit ko siya and ito ba natapos siya and I'm so happy na appreciate niyo ko lang. Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations to the cast and crew of DKV. I must say that the edition, or this edition, of Pure Gold Sinipanalo is an electric year for full-length films. And right now, I'm sure everyone can't wait for us to finally...
Ayaw mong last year, tama ba? And so parang ang vibes mo, parang passing ka ba doon? Tama ba, Director?
Thank you so much, Maui. To this day, I'm really still grateful for the opportunity that Pure Gold gave me. But tonight, we're starting a new chapter and giving the spotlight to the stand-up film of Pure Gold Sinipanalo 2025.
That's correct, Director. And the winner will also take home a Pure Gold Sinipanalo trophy plus a cash prize of 250,000 pesos!
Okay, so let's not delay any further. Ang pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula ng Pure Gold Sinipanalo ay Salo!
Thank you po sa lahat, Sinipanalo, Pure Gold, sa lahat ng sponsors, sa cast and crew ko from Iloilo, and dito sa Manila, sa buong production. Salamat po. Sorry. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to Director Malones and to the cast and crew of Salo.
Wow, Director, what a truly amazing night. Congratulations to everyone who made it here. And of course, tonight is truly the celebration of all our Panalo story.
What an incredible way to wrap up year 2 of Pure Gold Sinipanalo Film Festival.
Sana ay patuloy pa kayo magbigay ng inspirasyon, lumikha at magbahagi ng ating mga kwentong panalo ng buhay na makakaantig sa puso ng mga manonood.
On behalf of Pure Gold Sinipanalo Film Festival, we are grateful for everyone for attending this night. Once again, I'm Kurt Soberano.
Trophy holders on their way again, please join us on stage for the photo opportunity that is ongoing. Thank you.